everyone, we are
UPs! Magkita-kita tayo sa basketball covered court sa Barangay Santa Cruz, Upper Antipolo, this Saturday, June 15 para sa isang araw na punong-puno ng exciting promos at activities.
Fiber Fest sa inyong lahat, no? And of course, makakakuha po kayo ng Fiber exclusive deals, mga rewards, at prizes for the whole family. Plus, meet the Fiber Fest Squad. Yan.
Think about me every night, oh, is it that sweet like this so? Say you can't sleep, baby, I know, what's that mean, it's so. Move it up, down, after it all, still like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby, I know, what's that mean, it's so. I can't relate to desperation, I give a fuck, or on vacation.
TNT nakikita, gusto ko lang i-check. Okay.
Ready? And a one, and a one, and a one, and a one.
Alam mo, Nixon, ang pinakamaganda dyan, umakyat si Kuya.
Hi, I'm Bigay Simignano. Hi, I'm Alvin Nosotros.
I'm Henry Gallardo.
And I'm Brian Mendoza, and we're here at Barangay Santa Cruz, Upper Antipolo for
PLDT Home Fiber Fest.
Come check out our exciting promos.
See you there.
See you there.
See you.
Yeah.
Gamers, gusto nyo ba ng bagong gaming router plus 3,500 pesos? Well, we are here with our Tekken 8 tournament and happening at PLDT Fiber Fest in Antipolo City. So if hindi mo alam kung saan, which is the covered court, Santa Cruz, Antipolo City, and we have promos and raffles from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Kaya guys, punta na kayo and follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and on Facebook to know more details. See you guys!
1,000, 2,000, 3,000.